Hello and welcome to this series of videos for UniversalPlantViewer. This video is about saving and loading configurations for the UniversalPlantViewer. When using the UniversalPlantViewer, you have a lot of possibilities to change the contents of your session. This means you could do some coloring inside your session, you could maybe create some views, or maybe you're hiding certain areas of your plant. So let's do an example for this. Let's hide plant B. Maybe we want to do some coloring over here. Let's recolor those objects in some certain colors. And now let's say I want to exchange exactly this configuration like it is to a colleague. So how can I do this? So therefore, we have added the availability to save the configuration to a file, which can be loaded later on. To do this, open the File menu, which is the last menu on the left side. The first item says Save the configuration to a file. I will now do this. I will save this configuration to my D drive and call it Plant A only with coloring maybe. And the configuration was now saved to my hard drive. We can have a look at this file. It's very small file. Where is it? Here it is. As you can see, it's only 44 kilobytes. So it's a very small file which can be easily sent by email to some colleague, for example. So if I now close my UniversalPlantViewer and open it again, the session will be in its initial state. So this means all the coloring information and all the visibility information is gone. But I can now go to the File menu, select this second button, which is Load the configuration from a file, and select this configuration I've just created, and it will be loaded completely. So this means now we have the same coloring information available here. The plant A is completely gone, and we are in the same state. As I said, this applies to views, additional objects that have been placed, comments, and everything else that can be changed inside the session. If you want to have this configuration as a standard configuration for your session, you could then copy this file to your model folder and rename it to defaultconfig.upv. I already have one, so I will delete it. And if I now rename this file to defaultconfig.upv, this file will be automatically loaded when viewing the model. So if I now start the viewer with this local model, we can see that this configuration was loaded immediately. So that's it for saving and loading configurations inside the UniversalPlantViewer. Thank you very much for watching the video.